These are the 5 things experts always do when taking a cruise. Number 5, book your shows early. Seating is limited and fills up fast. Some cruise lines allow you to book all your shows the minute you get on board. Other cruise lines limit bookings by the day. Make sure you book early and get the shows you want. Number 4, book your preferred dining time. Many cruisers wake up at 12 a.m. on the day they're allowed to check in so that they can get the dining time they want. And even if you're assigned a time you do not want, go ahead and ask on board, as it's likely they will be able to change it for you. Number 3, understand your packages. Some cruise line drink packages limit the number of drinks you can have in one 24-hour period. Other packages only cover drinks under a certain dollar amount. Number 2, board the ship early. Take full advantage of your first day of cruising. Get an opportunity to look around your ship and see what it has to offer. Sometimes you can just show up even if you have a late boarding time and still get on early. Number 1, book your next cruise on board. Do not miss out on this incredible opportunity. Cruise lines offer passengers who book on board promotions that cannot be found elsewhere, including lower prices, lower deposits, and higher stateroom credits. You do not even have to know your dates to take advantage of these promotions because they'll allow you to book an open-ended cruise.